I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods. I want to talk to you today about the most spectacular sale I've come across in my career. You know what it is. You've seen it on TV. The 1-800 number, the catchy little song. Can you believe it? 75% off your flooring. I don't think you believe it. People think that we're stupid, but the fact of the matter is there isn't a business out there that's capable of giving you an honest 75% discount on anything. Nor is there a big box store that's able to give you free labor. Do you work for free? I've never met an installer in 40 years who works for free. There are certain basic costs in the floor covering industry and certain basic profit margins that people have to come up with in order to stay in business. You want to look for a bargain, that's to be sure. You want to take advantage of a legitimate sale, no problem with that. But remember, you're investing a lot of money. You want to go to a retailer who knows what they're doing, has a good reputation, has expertise, and will give you a good installation. Come see us or any one of our reputable competitors. Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods.